Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is hosted by Miss Amechi. You guys can check out her channel. It will be linked in my description box down below. Today's video is baking with the kiddos. So me and my kiddos love monster cookies. But instead of making cookies, we're deciding to make some energy bites that you guys can take with you. The kids probably would love this in their lunches when they decide that they don't want school lunch. So we're gonna give this a try. You just need the simple ingredients right here. So I have some milk chocolate M&Ms. We have some chocolate chips. We have quick oats. We have honey and vanilla flavoring and creamy peanut butter. So I'm gonna let the kids go ahead and measure these out into a bowl. So all you need is 6 ingredients in one bowl to make this. Be sure to mix it all up so that everything is distributed evenly.
These and one of these.
All right, so we need 2 cups and then 1/4 cup of the rolled oats or the quick oats.
Still need one more.
Keep going. Perfect. Measure out the chocolate chips. We have so far. Sky is now going to add in the honey, and then we will also add in some vanilla and then the creamy peanut butter. So for the peanut butter, we need a whole cup. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of the honey. So you can go ahead and pour the honey into that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the peanut butter in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the peanut butter in here while we're waiting on her to fill up the honey. So Sky has it measured now. She's gonna go ahead and pour it in. I've already gotten the peanut butter in.
I hope this tastes delicious. Wait, no, I need this one.
Alright, so we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract into our energy ball mix, just to give it a little bit of flavor. So these are called Monster Cookie Energy Balls. Sky's gonna get ready to mix it up. So here's the outcome. Sky has mixed it up. Really good. All the oats and the honey and the peanut butter is all mixed together. So now we are going to roll these into balls, and then they will go into the fridge or freezer. So now we are going to roll the dough into 2 tablespoons. Like, we're gonna make it into 2 tablespoon ball, and yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, so we're just gonna do it like this, and then I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm gonna put it into an airtight container. I also have wax paper down in here, just so that, you know, I don't have to worry about it sticking to this bowl, as this is my grandmother's bowl. But and then we will put it into, we're gonna put it into the fridge, which it can last in there for up to 2 weeks, and then it can last in the freezer for up to 2 months. So I think that I'm going to see how it works with how many I have, and then I'll go based off of that if I want to put them in the freezer or if I want to leave them in the refrigerator. I think that I probably will end up leaving them in the refrigerator, just because we might end up running through them, and with me going to work and the kiddos needing lunches sometimes, I think that these will be great assets to add into their lunches. All right, right, so here they are packaged up. We have 2 rows of the energy balls. Like I said, these are monster energy balls. The recipe will be in the description box down below, as well as the playlist with some other ladies who are deciding to join in and show you guys what they're baking with kiddos as well. So, like I said, these are Monster Cookie Energy Bars. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and hanging out with me and my kiddos to make something quick, sweet, simple, and easy. Especially, I think that these will be really great in school lunch boxes, so we'll definitely have to give that a try. Like I said, it can go in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, freezer 2 months. So, like I said, check out the playlist link down below. And thanks to Mr. Mechie for hosting this collab.